Afethu sisekuyi Pirates Cup kulokhu ngiphethe ucoach offense nguyena ko bephethe iqembu kuyona iPirates Cup. Ngiqeqeshi bekunjani kulonyaka? Ayisengathi bokuchance kakhulu.
I think it was a beautiful year. I think we had a different approach, a solid one, of course. But it all boils down to the players themselves. They have the confidence and also working closely with Nabo. I also had an extra motivation as a coach to remain solid and also acknowledge their behavior, their positive energy towards leading up to this tournament. We can also highlight in the preparation because of they came on board also respecting our principles as a club, also not neglecting the philosophy itself. So throughout all I was more confident about the players themselves.
And coach ngiyabona ukuthi there are some new names esingawazi bokunjani ukufaka these boys to say let them gel nalabo abanye be GDC nalabo abanye who are coming from the structure se Pirates kuyahlangana kodwa.
No, my brother, I think you mentioned a very important point to say new. When you speak about new, we speak about young talent,
yes,
fresh, always to progress their football and also to remain humble, of course. But then speaking of young players, we always give acknowledgement to the recruitment team itself, bringing players in who have the capacity and who have the football knowledge and the character to play for this club. So I think it was as a result to say you want to progress players as young as possible to expose them in this type of situation because we are building for the future and the future has to be the extra character, the extra effort. So we always acknowledge we as a club we prioritize young players who have the capacity to do the character to hold and fight for themselves. So in as much as we want to supplement the team, but we consider the personality, the character in that regard.
Coach, you talking about ukwakha labadlali babengcono. Bayanda Zulu Magebo omkhulu saving ama penalty, a first team player from Go Midlands. Ubonakala ekhula kahle kakhulu coach na ku DDC he's doing so well. Lo msebenzi niwenza kahle.
Most definitely. I mean, the players are the assets in the club, so we have to invest more in them. So him being here is not a mistake, but it's as of him now growing in the space. He's training consistently with the